So Thomas, this is Paul Akers. I'm with my mom here. I'm down in San Diego visiting, and you wanted me to comment on the creativity or innovation that Lean adds to a culture. So here's what I would tell you. Lean is the greatest innovation model in the world, because what it does is it teaches everyone to solve problems. And what innovators do is they solve problems. Edison solved the problem of how to take a traditional lamp oil lantern and turn it into an electric lamp. He was a problem solver, 2,000-3,000 times to solve that problem. Well, when you get everybody solving problems, inevitably they're going to become innovators. They're going to become problem solvers, coming up with creative new solutions. This also lends itself, when you have individuals doing this, then you have the creative intelligence of the organization. So now the whole organization takes on this new demeanor of creative intelligence. And when you have a culture that has creative intelligence, on top of individuals who have creative intelligence, you have the ultimate innovation machine. Does that help at all? Mom, say hi to Thomas.
That's so true. Very well said. And
what would you expect her to say? I'm the son.
no, not always. Not always.
Good. She's
Not
honest
always.
too. I love it.
I think that you are immensely creative. Use your mind.
You have to.
Yeah.
Well, that's the other nice thing about Lean, is it really forces people to use their brains and analyze everything that's going on, which is very important.
And that's what you do.
Yeah. All right. There you go. Thanks, Thomas.